Now, if you work for a manufacturer, you're not going to see a ton of different brands because they're most likely going to be using whatever their company standard is. Whereas like a systems integrator, we are doing work for those companies. So, you know, maybe this customer for us wants a Allen Bradley PLC, but this customer wants a Siemens PLC. And so we will get that exposure to different technologies where you won't really necessarily have that in the manufacturing space. But still, regardless, that'll be your best approach for gaining that experience. So, you know, the normal day of those individuals, to go back to Landon's question, would be really being involved in communicating with a lot of different engineers on how to develop a system, you know, what needs to change, what's the best way to go about it. And then, you know, the manufacturing field, like I said, it's going to be a lot more of that just improvement of things and optimization of the equipment.